Great that you're taking the time to find out more about our product. My name is Jochem and I'm a product specialist at Klippa. In the next few minutes I will show you how you can optimize your entire invoice management process, saving up to 70% of the total processing time. Here you can see what the invoice management solution looks like. You can register, authorize and record all your invoices via our centralized cloud environment, accessible via our web application or via our smartphone application for iOS and Android. In the first step, you can easily add purchase invoices to the digital workflow. In the second step, the authorization flows and business rules ensure an efficient approval process. In the third and final step, you can directly book the approved invoices into your financial records by using our validated interfaces with accounting and ERP systems. Alright, let's take a look at the first step of the process, adding an invoice to the digital workflow. We support three options here. You can forward an email from your finance mailbox, you can scan and upload paper invoices in bulk, or you can upload the document directly from your computer. I will show you how it's done. I upload an invoice of the Dutch Railway Company from one of my folders and add a short description for the booking entry. Relevant cost centers, cost carriers and/or projects are interfaced from your accounting system and will be shown here. I select the Amsterdam office as the cost center. As for my administration, cost centers are the most relevant and determine the authorization flow. In the meantime, the OCR technology has recognized all the relevant information from the invoice, such as the invoice number, the merchant, the purchase date, the total amount, and the VAT values that correspond with the values as specified on the invoice. In this way, we make an end to manual data entry. We save the invoice, which is now ready for approval. Alright, let's take a look at the second step of the process, approving an invoice in the digital workflow. The invoice is automatically directed to the right manager by means of a specific authorization workflow. By using business rules, you can customize these flows to tailor them to your process, based on the total invoiced amount or based on a specific project, for instance. In our case, the total invoiced amount of more than €1,000 and the selected cost center determine the authorization flow. My colleague has already approved the invoice, and now it's my turn to authorize. I open the invoice, check all the data, and approve it in one click. By saving the invoice, it gets directed to the finance department. I will now show you the third and final step of the process, recording the invoice in your accounting system by finance. I open the invoice that has just been approved. In this step, Klippa interfaces all the relevant information from SAP. All the SAP functionalities are also available in Klippa, including intercompany invoicing, matching invoices to purchase orders, and the option to allocate invoices to G accounts. The applicable supplier and an automatically created booking entry are interfaced in Klippa. It's possible to allocate purchase invoices to dimensions in SAP, such as the cost center, the project, or customized set dimensions. Klippa uses self-learning algorithms that pre-fill the fields of the booking entry for you. In this way, you can update your financial records in SAP in just one click. Alright, let's see how the purchase invoice has landed in SAP. Once you have booked the invoice in Klippa, a purchase invoice is automatically created in SAP for further processing. All the relevant information is sent to SAP, including the applicable supplier, the invoice date, the total amount, and the VAT values. A copy of the invoice can be found here. At Klippa, we call this robotic accounting. If you want to know what we can do for your organization, please let us know. We would love to get in touch. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you soon at Klippa.